Hi, I'm Beppe De Vito from Braci Ristorante here in Singapore, and today we're going to be preparing a risotto featuring 1664 Blanc. Okay, to prepare the risotto for 4 people, you will need 2 bottles of 1664 Blanc, 4 green apples. Then you will need aquarello rice, extra virgin olive oil, buffalo mozzarella, parmigiano cheese, guanciale and truffle pesto. All those ingredients are available on Grammy. Make the vegetable stock by adding into a pot with 1.5 liter of water the daikon, onion, potatoes, celery, leek, bay leaves, parsley and peppercorns. Let it boil for about 30 minutes. To smoke the mozzarella, place the smoking ingredients in a container, top with a rack. Lit up ingredients with a torch, cover and let it be for 5 minutes. To make the beer reduction, simply pour the 1.5 bottle of beer in a saucepan together with the juice of 4 apples and let it reduce to a syrupy consistency. We've chosen this beer because it has citrus notes and hints of apricot and peach, which are quite similar to some of the white wines that we would have usually used to prepare this dish. Okay, for the guanciale, pour some olive oil in a frying pan, add the cut guanciale. If you can't find guanciale, you can use pancetta or even a smoked bacon, and just let it render until it becomes very crispy. For the risotto itself, pour some olive oil in a large pot, add chopped onion and cook without letting take in color. Once it becomes transparent, add the rice and stir for about a minute to coat it with the oil. Once this is done, you can add the beer, about half a bottle, and let the whole liquid part evaporate. Add the stock little by little, enough to cover about 1 centimeter above the rice, and keep on stirring occasionally on very low heat. This operation should take you about 15 minutes. Once you're done, take away from the heat, wrap with a clean wrap, and let it rest for 3 minutes. It's to allow the rice to absorb the remaining liquid, even out the doneness throughout the rice itself. After unwrapping, add in the cheese, the parmigiano, the mozzarella, some salt, the butter, some pepper, and chopped apples, and stir well. Now you're ready to plate. Spread out the risotto in 4 plates equally and even out it so that it doesn't look clumpy. Pour on top the beer reduction, top with the crispy guanciale, put in the center a quenelle of the truffle pesto. Now that you're ready to eat, you can pair it with the 1664 Blanc. It's perfect, a sweet and edgy taste, goes perfectly with the risotto.